Hello everyone, I'm Raena, or you can just call me Ray. This is my first tutorial on Curified. I'm going to show you how to take an old pair of stockings and turn them into a stocking cap. Now this is an actual stocking cap. You know, I bought this from the actual store, but you know, let's say you're running short on stocking caps. I mean, you might need them for making wigs, you might need them to wrap your hair at night. So if you're pressed for time, or if you just are too lazy to hit the beauty shop, because you know it'd be like that, you can actually take an old pair of stockings. Please wash them first though. Wash your stockings before you put this on your head. Put the stockings over your head like so, and then you're going to stretch it, not too tight, but you know, just enough to where you're trying to make a ponytail. Alright, so you're gonna make a ponytail out of your stockings, so to speak. And this is where you're gonna cut it. So make sure you have your cutting scissors. And you're going to cut like so. You see where it's measured? This is where it should be measured at. And you cut under your thumb. Yeah, alright, so now that you've cut this, there's like a hole, and it's probably kind of wide, which is fine because you're actually going to sew the hole shut. So you can take this off. And for this, you can use regular needle and thread. I'm using hair thread. So before you start sewing, make sure that the cap is flipped inside out. See? This means it's inside out. If it's a perfect stitch, it's still the right side. You need to turn it inside out so you can see the actual stitching. This should be the part that you've cut. You're gonna sew this together. I use the actual hair needle and the hair thread. But you can use regular thread though. If you do use regular thread though, I would advise getting a sewing machine though. So this is what it looks like when you flip it right side, or the correct way, or out, not inside out, the opposite of inside out, okay? When you flip it, you know, it should look like this on the outside. And again, it's not the perfect stitching, but it works, you know? And you can just put it on your head like so. Now, like I said, with stocking caps, they serve different purposes. They are multi-purpose, so you can definitely use this to wrap your hair at night, or to lay your hair down in general, or to make a wig. This is how it fits. And on the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a wig or a quick weave with a homemade stocking cap. Thank you all for watching. Tell your friends to subscribe and stay beautiful.